Hi, to enter one-handed mode on your Xiaomi Redmi 10, firstly go in the phone settings and here scroll to the additional settings tab and go in the one-handed mode. So now you can see this cool feature which you can enable just by tapping on the switcher like that, and after that you can turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel, which is located on the bottom of your display. Now let's try this out. I'm gonna swipe right from the center and here is one-handed mode. So you can swipe left or right to switch between your pages. You can scroll in this mode, you can open any app, but if you do it from this home page like that, you'll see that one-handed mode is disabled now. So if you want to enable it in the app directly, just do the same thing, so swipe right or left from the center, and now it is comfortable to use your phone with just one hand. So to exit this mode, you can either swipe up from the bottom of the screen or just tap on any free space of the page like that. And to disable this mode, just go back in the additional settings, select one-handed mode and here tap on the switcher to disable. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.